Hey everyone, in this video we will do a quick overview of the people involved in the development process of the Power BI before it gets published to the Power BI service and how it gets collaborated. So we look at all the actors. Let's start. So in the development process, first you've got the developer who basically looks at the underlying data and builds a data model and creates a report. And once he's built that report, he basically publishes it to a workspace. And that workspace is managed by the administrator who helps in creating the workspaces and basically administering and managing those workspaces. And once the administrator has helped the developer basically put the Power BI file into the Power BI service, it gets shared with the data analysis teams or people who have a data analysis skill set, who basically download these dashboards and build their own visuals or use Power BI to do detailed analysis on the data, or they basically just look at the existing visuals which have been developed by the developer. So essentially in any given organization, you'll have these three people. You'll have the developer, you'll have like a data analysis team, and then you'll have an administrator who will be administrating the workspace. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.